What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful ORA Good Cat GT in Aqua Grey, as you can see right in front of me. The showroom brings in a lot of light for you guys to admire how gorgeous this car looks, but yeah, you still got to be here to see this in person if you really want to know how amazing the yellow goes on top of the grey, together with the silver wheels and the black and the mixture of the yellow side mirrors together. So it does look very nice indeed. Now, before we get right to the details, let us first start off with the lights. Now, of course, you can see the amazing lights that we have right here. Love how the DRLs, they actually light up right around it, and you do have your intelligent light, is what it says right here as well. Amazing finish with the black interior finishing here, together with the bright silver finishing that goes all over the place. Love it. Now you do get some bright chrome finishes happening all around the front lights as well. Now for the bottom right here, you do get this sort of like carbon fiber finish of a design, guys, for the whole front of it. Now this is amazing. You have to be here to see this because you can actually admire the texture-like finish of this whole piece. Love it. Love the airflow happening right here. So the air flows through on this side, exits out the other way through the wheel arch. And then you do get this sort of like carbon fiber finish at the bottom. The whole piece looks absolutely sporty. It goes along the wheel arch as well, which I will show you in a while more. Now the centerpiece, you also get this carbon fiber finish as well, together with this GT wording right here in this yellow finish. Amazing. Your sensors should be located on this side right here for your ADAS and whatnot. Airflow on this side for cooling purposes for the battery. Number plate goes right there. You do get your tow hook happening over here, and tons of sensors happening all over the place, together with your front camera on this side. Amazing. Your badging for the brand is right here in the center. Very nice, very simple and clean. So for the top hood, you do get these two lines that are in this bulging out from the front hood. Makes it look sporty, even though this car is very round and cute looking. But yeah, it's a very nice car, man. I like how it looks. The bottom bumper with the aggressiveness of that front design. And then we move on to the side. As you can see how the side goes here, and then it goes along the whole wheel arch and come back right down here. I love how they maintain that textured like carbon fiber design. Very nice. Now for the wheels, you do get your solid disc brakes happening right there on the inside. You do get your yellow calipers right here. Love the fact how the wheels are sprayed in yellow just for one part, and the rest of the parts right here are in this black and silver two-tone finish. So that's amazing. So they are using the tire size, which is 215/50 R18. So that's what they're using on this side. Amazing. Once again, design finish is good. Charging goes right here. You got your AC and your DC as well. Amazing. So for the bottom piece right here, you do get this textured like finish going across the whole side of the car. Amazing indeed. Lines for the side, beautiful looking. Side mirror is in yellow, following the front, following the brake calipers, and then you get this also as well. Amazing finish. You got this matte texture-like finish at the bottom, at the side that goes across the whole side right here, together with the chrome piece for the bottom part of the door. Right here, matte finish, yellow, turn indicators on this side, so that's kind of cool. Open up the doors. Of course, the door is locked right now. Cool. So the door is currently unlocked. Let's open it up and take a look. Amazing interior. Before we head right down to the inside, let's take a look at what we see at the door. Now you do get your amazing soft finish for your top portion of the door right here. Amazing hard plastic happening on this side right here. Goes alongside the bottom. Very nice indeed. Speakers are right there. You got your compartment storage down here as well. Now you do get this yellow finishing for the interior part, which happens a lot of places on the inside, together with the yellow stitching. That's something which is very amazing as well. You do get this sort of like finishing texture, which is very cool as well. You get your door handles right here as well, together with the silver finishing that goes right around it. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, that's very nice indeed. Love this texture like finish for the door side, the padding where you rest your arm and things like that. Very cool. You got to be here to see this and feel this. It's very nice, man. Awesome. So on the inside part right here, you do get a side step that says the ORA word right here. It's hard plastic. Once again, I love how they have this carbon fiber texture over here as well. Very sporty and nice. The inner part of the car, love the sort of like finish, I guess, for the seats and whatnot. I believe there is some fabric finishes, microfiber kind of finishes happening all over the place, together with some sort of like PU leather, I believe, or leather. But yeah, amazing yellow texture that's happening all over the seats also as well. So very cool. Seat adjustments back and forth, cool. Let's hop right in, show you guys how amazing this car actually looks and feels. So yeah, this is me sitting right here, and yeah, it's not every day you find a glove compartment where you press the button to bring it down. Normally it's at the side or wherever. Advent adjustments on this side. You got your yellow stitching at the front of the dashboard. You got this yellow finish right across the whole place right here. The whole dashboard is fantastic. You do have your AC to on and off, I believe. This is for your AC as well. You do get your air vents for the front windscreen together with the rear demister. Hazard lights on this side. You do get your USB-A and your USB-C together with your 12-volt socket for charging as well. Your cup holders on this side to go in, very cool. Wireless charging for your phone, I believe, should be on this side. And then you do get some sort of compartment storage on this side right here. So it's a very cute and compact looking car. Top right here, you do get your glass roof and whatnot. Happens all over the place. Your SOS call button on this side. Love how the casing can see through as well. Passenger airbags and what warning and whatnot it shows you, so that's kind of cool. Your mirrors for you to take a look at yourself if you wish to. Just put it back right here. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat, and seatbelts are in black. Very nice. Love the GT wording that happens at the top rest right here so as well. Love the silver finish that happens all over the place. So that's kind of cool. Love this. Now doors, and then we move to the back. What do we see right here? Once again, amazing door finish. Love how they have this hard plastic at the top. They got this silver finishing right here. Handle to open up the doors, and then you get this soft microfiber kind of like a finish. Love it. Then you do get this sort of like, I'm not sure if it's Alcantara suede finish. It feels like it's a suede finish, similar towards the front. So yeah, you do get this texture, yellow finishing right here together with the yellow stitching on this side. Hard plastic on this side, goes all the way to the bottom. Hard plastic over here. Compartment storage down here. Amazing finish of a door. So the inside part right here, of course the car is still brand new, so there's plastics all over the place. But nevertheless, yep, you can see how the finishing looks very, very solid and very soft as well when you set inside right there. Compartment storage down there. Carpet goes right here, of course. Let's have a seat on this side and take a look. Down here you get your USB-A charging compartment storage down here as well. Very nice look. You do get your panoramic glass roof. You can remove and open up this glass, the front one if you wish to. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Yeah, seat belts are right there, and the space is good. Headroom is also good as well. Cool. So let's jump to the center. Similar, and what we see right here, very sporty looking finish of a car. Very nice. So let's hop right down. Take a look at what we are looking at for the rear part of the wheel. So you do have these amazing wheels for the back. Once again, solid disc brakes, yellow calipers, yellow finishing for one side part of the wheel. You got the silver and the black finishing as well. Tire size is 215/50R 18-inch. Love the two-tone finish with the silver and the black happening. Once again, the texture-like finish happening all over the place. So this is damn cool. For the back part, the spoilers, or shall I say the real sort of like wing, you do get the GT wording right here as well, so that's very nice. And you do have this yellow finishing that's happening over here. Your top glass roof is also in this black color, and the body color of this car is called Aqua Grey, so that's nice. Underneath you get your yellow finishing. Brake lights go right there, your shark fin antenna together with the brake lights that are happening on this side right here, so very cool. You do get your Good Cat GT wording on this side, GWM wording right here, number plate goes right there, reflector indicators on left and right. The bottom piece, love the rear diffuser. They have this yellow finishing with the carbon fiber kind of like texture. Love the red light that comes on. 360 camera right for the back. Let's open it up, and automatic boot for the GT version. Press the button to close the boot. This is for you to open up the glove compartment, open up the boot from the inside part right here. You can fold down the seats if you wish to from this handle right here, or this handle right here. But yeah, compartment storage is huge as well. Amazing cable light for you to charge so as well, warning triangles and whatnot. So that's kind of nice. Let's see if we can fold down the seats. So this is with the seats fully folded down for the right side. Now on the left side, you do have some folding that can actually take place as well. Similar. Let's pull this down. Check that out. You can remove this if you wish to, if you don't like it here. In case you want to store higher boxes, you can do that as well. So that's, yeah, very nice and sporty, man. Fold the seats right down and you can close this boot back. Beautiful. So let's hop right into the driver's side. Once again, the door is right here, handle to open up, and take a look at what you're looking at for the doors. Handle to open up the door, unlock and lock. You got your window adjustments for the back, child lock as well for the back, together with the front window adjustments. You got your side mirror adjustments on this side, handle to hold, to pull, to close the door, compartment storage down here, together with your yellow finishing with the stitching that's happening all over the place. So that's kind of nice. Your brake pedals and the accelerator pedals are in black. You get your lightings, your boot closing and opening as well, happening all over here as well. So the brightness of the light adjustments for the front, up or down. Electronic seat adjustments, very cool indeed. Love it, man. The yellow and then the GT wording is very sporty. And the inside part right here, you do have your round finish of a steering wheel, so that's very sporty as well. You do have your signal indicators on this side, together with your wiper adjustments and your lighting, together with your drive, reverse, and also the P. It's happening on this side. This, I believe, should be some sort of like other. Okay, this is not something to open up. That's kind of cool. Leave it as it is. But yeah, I thought it's a compartment storage. But nevertheless, yeah, you do have your steering that's in this manual-like adjustment. It's kind of nice. You do have your displays happening on this side to control a lot of stuff if you wish to, and tons of other settings that you can control from the main screen for this side right here. So very straightforward and very easy as well. So in car, you have your light, welcome light, driving, parking, other. That's kind of nice. Okay, cool. Steering wheel light assist mode, headlight switch. Cool. Okay, so you can turn off the lights or turn on the lights from here. And you have your other vehicle settings that you can choose from on this side, your aircon fan if you wish to turn it on, or you wish to pair your phone if you want to, you can do that as well. So that's kind of nice. Love the display. Once again, very clean setup. Love the air vent connectivities, wireless charging happening on this side. Yeah, very sporty and nice. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat, and yeah, very nice indeed. Your adjustments for the top mirror and the top glass and whatnot, all of it is happening on this side. So very cool. Love the sort of like Alcantara suede finish that's happening all over the car. Damn. Love the finishing quality of the car. Looks very good. The whole roof lining, man, everywhere. Including the back seat right here also looks very... Love the quality. So yeah, very nice indeed. But before that, let me see if I can try position light. There we go. Just to show you guys if the lights are already on. Yeah, cool. So these are the DRLs that we have right here. As you can see, they look absolutely fine. So let's take a front cover photo for the front right here. Amazing layout for a car like this, dude. Beautiful. Damn, love it. Check that out, man, dude. Let's do one more, closer a bit to make it look a little bit more nicer. Yeah, there you go. Cool. So this one right here, amazing layout for the back. Let's take a look. The DRLs for the back have also been turned on. As you can see, they have it on this side, right where the windscreen is. So that's very nice indeed. Cool. Beautiful. What about the signal lights and how do they light up? One light here. Take a look at the side mirrors. Of course, you do have them right here as well. Very nice indeed. The whole light actually lights up in this way. So that's very cute looking and very nice indeed. Love the rings, how they light up. And at the same time, for the back part, you do have the bottom piece that lights up with your turn indicator. So it's nothing got to do with the top. It's only the bottom left and right. So very nice indeed. Cool. Amazing. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about GWM cars, do head down to, we are right here in Subang Jaya or around USG area, where you can locate this car and many more other cars that they have on display all over the place, guys. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.